Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, dear sisters. I hope you all are in a good state of health and iman, inshallah. Are you struggling to balance your deen as well as your dunya at the same time? Do you want to know about fashion and modesty in Islam? Are you struggling with anxiety and overthinking? And are you also feeling some emptiness in your heart? Don't worry, my dear sisters, I am here to announce a very exciting news with you all. Alhamdulillah, BINTUL Muslim Council has completed its 3 years in January 2024. And inshallah, we will be conducting a grand workshop of 3 days in February 2024 under the guidance of Dr. Asma Zehra Ma'am. We will be having different programs based on multiple topics. We will also be having nasheeds and some fun activities like quiz, skit, and many more. I invite all the sisters from Kashmir and all over North India to join us on the 9th, 10th, and 11th of February. Invite all other sisters you know and share the khair. Jazakallahu khairan kasiran. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.